All right, welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. We are in the second week of October, and I'm here to show you my two coins that I got for the month of September. So I am a little behind, but nonetheless, I'm still here going to show you them. I still have my unopened package. I haven't opened it yet, so I am going to show you the 2 silver ounces that I got for the month of September. Excuse me while I drink my vice, which is tea. All right, so but before I do that, let me show you what silver closed on Friday. And prior to this video, I did one on October 4th, and silver closed at $48.24. And let's see where it closed on this Friday, with today being Saturday. Ready? Look at that, guys. 50.44. 50.44. How great is that, right? Yes, sir. That is awesome. Bing, bing, bing. That's right. That's right. Bing, 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 bing. Like playing lotto. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you that. Obviously, the last few weeks, silver's been on an upward trend, which is fantastic for those of us who stack silver, collect silver. So enough about where silver's been trending the last few weeks. So all right, let's get ready, and let's get back to my mug here, and let's show you the 2 coins that I got. All right. By the way, does anyone know why I stack silver and why maybe people should start stacking silver? Check this out. Check out my twin here. You ready?
Buy silver because it's real, it's tangible, and it's a hedge against inflation. Stacking silver isn't just a hobby, it's a mindset. Buy silver because it's real, it's tangible, and it's a hedge against inflation. Stacking silver isn't just a hobby, it's a mindset.
Here I am. All right, I'm back. So let's do this. Here we go. Scissor. Trips up my sleeve. Cut this open. So I don't know what I got. Don't know what 2 silver ounces I got. I really don't care. As long as it's silver. Consistency pays off. Simple. Still pretty cheap. Although it's $50. When I started 3 years ago, I know I sound like a broken record, it was $18. But, you know, that's what consistency does. All right, so Alright, so here are my 2 coins. Got the slots open. Let's see what the first one is. And the winner is, alright, it's Queen Elizabeth I see in front of me. Oh! A kangaroo. A kangaroo. This makes me happy because I have a ton of family down in the land down under. When my mom and dad would go to Australia, they'd always come home with some kind of paraphernalia of kangaroos. So that's the one I got. What is? Let me just see. It's 2022 triple nine. No, quadruple nine. 4 nines. Even more pure than the triple nine. The Australian Kangaroo with Queen Elizabeth II on the back. $1 denomination. All right. Let's see what I got in the second one. It's probably going to be the same. I'd be surprised if it isn't. And oh, it's a kangaroo. So, let's see if I can get a nice picture of it. Let's see if it, yep, there it is. So, my 2 coins for the month of September is the 2022 Australian Kangaroo. So, that's all I got for this in this video. So before I go, if you like this video that I just did, please subscribe. I'm up to 321 subs. You know, I'm trying to get 500 by the end of the year. I appreciate it for those of you who do subscribe, and you know, after that we'll go for 1,000, but one step at a time. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the weekend, and I'll see you in my next video.